Welcome back. Today is another viewer request pour, and we're doing it today for Zoltan, the aquatic stacker, and he asked us if we could do like a tombstone or a gravestone with a little skull on it. So that's what we've done. We've done a 3D print. We're just going to grab a brew and we're going to get straight on into it. Sit back and enjoy. Now the first job, as always, is to do the sandcast. So there we go. There's our 3D print we created. So we've got to make the sandcast. So on goes the powder as usual. And then we'll settle in and get the sandcasting done. Now I just pop it down on the floor and give it a good banging with a rolling pin just to compress it all, as you can hear. I like to pack it in really tightly. If you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe. The button's down below, it does help the channel. And that would be cool and help us along. So as you can hear, yeah, I'm compressing the sand nice and tightly so we get a really good impression. Really important. So here we are then, the bit we all enjoy, the pour. As you've seen, the sandcast come out really well, so we'll warm up the tongs and then we'll get straight on with the pour. we go then, we got the glow. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at them flames, plopped in nice. Look at the colours. Oh yeah. I just can't wait to get this one flipped over to see what we got. Such a great little subject. So pleased, and I thank Zoltan the Aquatic Stacker for suggesting this. It was a great little project to have a go at. Here we go, cooling nicely. Look at the colours. Just can't wait to get it flipped. Here we go then. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. So pleased, look at that. You getting that? Oh yeah. Right, time to get it over for the quench. So there you have it. It come out really cool. Look at that bad boy. You getting that? So now we've got to go inside, do the clean up, do the toning, and then of course the polishing at the end. So I'll meet you inside and get on with that.
This isn't real money. Neither are digits on a screen. This is real money, my friends. Hello, silver fans. This is T, and you're in the place to be for silver education, acquisition, entertainment. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Here we go. Let's power up, and I'll walk you through. Take a look here. There are some silver buffalo rounds. I'll show you the process. Whoop, turn on the old 2-auto furnace. I'll show you the whole process, start to finish, on how I make real money. And take a look there. It's heating up, almost ready. And there you go. It's time to pour some silver. This is a fun hobby, something I really enjoy. And I appreciate the fact that other people enjoy. Here we go. Steady as she goes. Got to be careful. That's about 2,000 degrees molten silver. And then the quench. Take it out. Let me show you here. Take a quick look. And then she's going to go take a little bath here. Listen. Take a look at my creation here. Bright and shiny and beautiful. 4.6 ounces. This happens to be number 7. And man, oh man, I am pretty proud of this one. An original creation. And take a look here. Got more real money. And I'm going to make a nice little stack here. I'll tell you what, especially when you start getting it to level 2. Boom. Listen to that clang there. Here's some more. And if you're interested in acquiring some real money, I do auctions. Tonight, Friday night, I'll be doing an auction. Come check it out and get yourself some real money. Check it out.
Silver bars, silver coins, which one should you buy? That's the question I see all the time on the community posts and comments on videos here on YouTube. But for me, there's an easy decision and there's one clear winner. So, silver bars, silver coins. Listen, it's a very good question that I probably get asked the most here on YouTube, and it's a perfectly good question too. So let's get straight down to the nitty gritty. What's better, silver bars, silver coins? What do I prefer? What do I hold more of? What's more expensive? The premiums, capital gains tax, all of those topics. Let's get straight to it. Okay, so it's no secret I have some silver in my portfolio amongst other investments such as gold and index funds. We know that. I've talked about it a few times. But I really feel like silver is sometimes undervalued, maybe underappreciated. Go back maybe 2 years ago, it felt like silver was spoken about a lot more. But as it stands, there's no arguing that gold prices are much, much higher than silver, albeit, yes, gold is expensive. But silver for me is still undervalued. I think it's very undervalued. And that brings me to the topic of, when buying silver, should you buy silver bars or silver coins? Well, here in front of me, I've got a selection of silver bars from James Bond classic edition pieces of No Time to Die, Daniel Craig's last film, Perth Mint Dragon bars from 2019 to 2020 to 2023, and Royal Mint Una and...
Hey everybody, Cranky Stacker. What's going on? Hey, I got a response from Stacking Surfer, who I mentioned Coin Talk with Nick's Coins and Silver Surfer. And it's really, I can't stress enough how much I think y'all ought to go check that out. It's Coin Talk episode 31, and I got a reply, a comment in my section from Silver Surfer, and those two, Nick's and Surfer are like icons. They're like larger than life, and to have a reply, a comment in my section after a video was really cool. I very much appreciated it. So needless to say, once I calmed down, I started thinking about some things, and somebody had commented about liking the sound of that. It is a nice sound. Listen to that. When a buck was still silver. Anyway, long story short, Sal this morning combined with the video that Nick's and the Coin Talk video Nick's and Surfer did, and at Nickel Stacking, Nickel did a really good follow-up stream on regarding the topics that they had on Coin Talk, and I think that's all very good information. You really need to go check out both of those streams, and in their entirety, they're good stuff. But this morning, another icon, Sal from the Salivation Nation at Salivate Metals, Slurpin' Sal, I'll call him. I love that. But he had a really good video this morning too, and it was regarding